Hi everyone, and today's video blog is going to be about appreciation and gratitude. So what's the difference? What's the difference between appreciation and gratitude? Well, I believe that if you look at a little timeline, like gratitude's up here, appreciation is here. So a thing that I struggled with in the past that one of my mentors pointed out to me that I'm going to share with you today is that you can't go just from being you to being grateful, because you need to go through the stages of getting there. And these stages, peeling back the onion, the stages of peeling back the onion of whatever you're trying to be grateful for is going through the appreciation stages. So what do you appreciate about that thing you're grateful for? Like for instance, I'm very grateful for my food that I put on the table. Yeah, that's cool. But if you're not really feeling that, then you need to appreciate the smell, the taste, the nutrition, the person that's prepared it for you, if you prepared it for yourself. And you appreciate all the wee things that lead up to that. And then when you get to that place, you'll be like, no, actually I'm really grateful for that, rather than being like, right, I'm grateful for the food that I put on the table. Or, you know what, I really appreciate the smell and the taste of that food that I've just made for myself, and I've put in that effort for me. And you know what, I really appreciate that, and you know what, I'm really grateful for that. There you go. What sounds better? What feels better? Because I felt better when I said that second one, and I actually meant it. So that's the difference. Go through appreciation to gratitude. Okay. Like two little tips is just to practice being appreciative and grateful now. Because if we're not going to be grateful and appreciative now and be happy now, then nothing's going to come to you. You're going to be vibrating on a horrible low frequency. You're not going to be sending anything good out, so you're not going to get anything good back. So this is a very important ritual in your life, so start practicing it now. And if you are really struggling, like tip 2, if you are really struggling with the grateful, just take in what I've just told you at the start. That, remember, grateful here, appreciation, leading up to it, peeling back the layers. Start with appreciation and then move up to gratitude when it feels right. Don't rush, okay? So really just be appreciative for your life now. All I can say is you just need to appreciate life. Like, if you can't find anything to appreciate, then just appreciate that you wake up every day and you breathe. Because we are blessed with life. We are properly blessed with life. We get to create the world we want if you want to. And you need to believe that you can do that, because you can do that. And you know what, this little simple appreciating your life and being grateful for your life and everything in it is going to push you in that direction. Trust me, whether you want to believe it or not, you don't need to believe anything I tell you. I might be talking rubbish for all you know, but test it, try it, and watch what happens. Just look what happened to me. Look what's happening to me. So take that in. That's obviously happened for a reason, because I've been more open and observant to things, okay? So start appreciating the now, because the power is in now, okay? Again, if you need any help, just reach out to me. I'm just keeping these nice and short, not going into too much detail. I'm just trying to really inspire you and add value into your life, okay? So please comment below, let me know if there's any other things you want me to talk about, and then I'm looking forward to shooting the next one, and I'll speak to you all again soon.